So, just to give you guys a quick little backstory, I came up with the idea for these journals back in probably March. And here they are. So, they are entitled My Safe Place. And this is an actual picture that I took in Orange Beach. And it also continues on the back. And as you can see, it has 2 Timothy on the back. And this is something that has always resonated with me, especially being someone who still experiences anxiety. Because I was about to say who used to. No, it still happens. So I wanted people to know that they can have a safe place to go to because journaling has helped me a lot. So I wanted to show people that it's possible to break free from anxiety. There are also instructions for how to journal, also a freebie. And on every other page, there is an action word to help you stay in that place of calm and peace. Be kind to others, breathe, practice gratitude. So, all the things that helped me, I wanted to create a journal that will help you. And also, the main message knowing that God did not give you a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. And that is what you are using in order to tap into your safe place. Be able to always have this place where you can go. So if you would like to have your own copy of My Safe Place, go to the link in the bio and order yours today.